close but far away. I know that I could break while I'm walking the tightrope.